Hi guys, welcome back. Monday morning. I have some oxtail cooking here and some rice, some peas and carrots. And this is my salad: cucumber, sweet peppers, tomato. So that's my salad. And this is my oxtail on a rainy Monday, one day before Canada Day. Like, share, and subscribe. The rain is falling outside, guys. Let's see outside. We're gonna see outside what it look like. It's a rainy day outside. Yeah. These are my tomatoes, my potato, pumpkin, some kidney beans I planted. And that's the weather, guys. Monday morning before Canada Day. Look at outside. The Rosa Sharon is not growing yet, so see my tomato trees, and look, there's a tomato on it there. And that's potatoes. I have a pepper tree here. Peppers, potatoes, scallion, another pepper tree, pumpkin. They're growing. Look at flowers on it. Lots of flowers. By next week we're gonna have lots of tomatoes. And this is the weather. Well, it's time for me to get ready for work now. Monday. Wish I had a day off, but unfortunately I don't.